Education and Career Guidance Cell and IQAC Manipur College Imphal na Sinduna Manipur College Career Conclave 2025 Pangthokkhre Development Council Manipur University gi guideline makhada Sine Career Manipur ga khusamnaduna Design Your Future that haiba theme da Multipurpose Hall Manipur College Imphal da pangthokhiba thoram aduda Dr. Danavir Laisam Social Scientist Ketchumim Tony Singh Founder and Career Counselor of Sine Career and Resource Person Wangangke Amadi Dr. Prakash Professor Vice Chancellor Dayananda Sagar University Bangalore Amadi Professor Arvind Devidas Sharma Principal Manipur College Imphal Su Thorum Aduda Saruk Yakhe
truly come and proactively educate them. Otherwise, I mean, they will be lost in the media saying, oh, we are somewhere in Imphal, where will I get an opportunity? Will the opportunity only happen in Bombay or Delhi or Bangalore, Hyderabad? But then opportunity is available everywhere. Can they link their geography and history knowledge along with the foundational, original, local knowledge and bring it to agriculture, bring it to sustainability, link with the latest technology and provide an input? Or start working with the society, then opportunity could be, my whole world is looking for sustainable development. Okay. And therefore, I think it's a very critical need to regularly educate children that career does not mean just becoming a bank clerk or an engineer or a doctor. But then there's so much happening and routine jobs will anyway be lost in the age of AI and digitalization. And therefore, they need to start engaging with society, engage with the industry, or even looking at government policy issues and seeing how it affects their community. Can they talk about it and influence people and also do local community work? Even those could be remarkable transformational enablers if they want to work sincerely. So I think there is a critical need that regular counseling of such nature has to be given. Otherwise, I mean, because they are lost in their own echo chamber of saying, oh, I just got this mark or that mark, where will I get a job? I am not, no, everybody is saying I am not getting a job.